I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Volkswagen Golf GTI. Begin by sketching the basic rectangular shape of the car's body. Focus on getting the overall length and height accurate. Then, lightly mark the positions for the wheels and the main window areas. These initial lines will serve as your guide for the entire drawing process. Now let's refine the body. Carefully draw the characteristic sharp lines of the Golf GTI, paying attention to the side profile and the roofline. Next, focus on the front, sketching the grille with its honeycomb pattern and the rectangular headlights. Finally, add the wheels, ensuring they are perfectly circular and include tire tread details. Moving on to finer details, sketch the side mirrors and door handles with precision. At the rear, draw the taillights and the dual exhaust pipes, which are a signature GTI feature. If your perspective allows, add a few interior elements like the steering wheel or seats, visible through the windows to give your drawing more depth. For the final touches, begin shading your drawing to give it a three-dimensional look. Use darker tones for shadows under the car and in recessed areas. Add highlights to reflective surfaces like the windows and body panels to simulate shine. Finally, carefully erase all your initial construction lines to present a clean and polished Volkswagen Golf GTI drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.